If your skin feels like sandpaper every winter, same bestie, let's fix it. Our hair, body, and face get totally attacked in winter because of the lack of moisture. And lack of moisture on your skin can cause wrinkles. Like seriously, winter just sucks the glow out of everything. Our body needs moisture to feel comfy and glowy, so in today's video, I'm going to cover the top winter problems we all face, and their simple, realistic solutions. So the first problem we face in winter is that itchy feeling all over the body right after a shower. You know that moment when you come out of a hot shower feeling all fresh and then boom, you start scratching like a confused cat. Yep, that's dryness, obviously. The solution? Pat dry your body gently with towel. Don't completely dry it because we actually need our skin a little damp. Then immediately apply body butter. But if you don't want to buy expensive products, I got you. Apply baby oil on the areas that usually feel itchy and lock it in with lotion. This combo will keep your skin hydrated and stop the scratching session. And if you're too lazy to apply oil, relatable, just apply a thick layer of lotion instead. The main goal is lock that moisture before it escapes like your motivation in winter mornings. Next, let's talk about the face because winter somehow decides to bully our face the most. The dryness is real, and if you're sensitive skin girly, then winter will make you cry sometimes because we can't apply thick moisturizer on our face as they clog our pores and cause acne and breakouts and dullness on skin. But if you're a dry skin girly, congratulations! Winter is your main character season. So, what's the fix for sensitive skin? Buy non-comedogenic products. Non-comedogenic basically means they don't clog your pores. These are perfect for oily or acne-prone skin. They help prevent blackheads, whiteheads, and all that drama. Look for non-comedogenic on the product label. It's like your skin's safe word. And also, before moisturizer, you can apply a toner. You can take 3 bottles, 1 for rose water, 1 for rice water, and 1 for green tea water. And apply it though out the day whenever you feel like your skin is flaky and dry. It will make your skin super glowy and hydrated. And then after toner, apply your moisturizer. And to care for your lips at home in winter, stay hydrated. Regularly apply a nourishing lip balm with ingredients like shea butter or beeswax. Gently exfoliate once or twice a week with sugar, and avoid licking your lips. Problem 3 is dandruff. The snow on your shoulders that nobody asked for. Cold, dry air in winter literally strips all the moisture from your scalp, and if you love super hot showers, you're making it worse. Sorry, bestie. Here's what helps. Use an anti-dandruff shampoo regularly to control flakes and calm your scalp. Moisturize your scalp, massage it with oils like coconut oil. It feels good and keeps the dryness away. Avoid washing your hair too often with hot water. Your scalp isn't a frying pan. Keep it chill. And bonus tip, use a humidifier in your room. It adds moisture to the air so your scalp doesn't feel like the Sahara Desert. Thanks for watching. Stay cozy, stay glowy. Bye.